900-bed COVID care hospital inaugurated in Khanapara field. Demand raised for immediate payment of compensation to the Lower Kopili hydroelectric project affected families. Birth anniversary of Shahid Durga Malla celebrated at Umrongso. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Chili Hansapi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. Owing to the daily surge in COVID cases in the state, the Assam government is making all efforts to face the challenge that might come in the battle against the pandemic. During a press briefing on the occasion of Doctors' Day on Wednesday, Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma lauded all doctors for their efforts in Assam's fights against corona. He said that it was all because of them that the state have so far been able to register 63% recovery and have also been able to keep the death toll to as low as 12. At the time of filing this report, the total number of discharged stands at 5,647 patients, while 2,885 cases are active. State Health Minister, however, warned that the state has just entered the peak in infection of COVID-19 virus and therefore people should take extreme precautions and should strictly abide by the rules and guidelines laid down by the government. On Wednesday, a total of 140 fresh cases were registered, out of which 122 are from Guwahati alone. On the backdrop of this, a 900-bedded COVID care hospital was inaugurated by the minister.
বহুত ৰাইজৰ এটা শংকা আছে যে গুৱাহাটীত যদি কেছ বাঢ়ি গৈ থাকে তেতিয়ালে আমি ক'ত ৰাখিম আমাৰ হস্পিটাল বেড আমাৰ কিমান আছে বা আমি কিমান দূৰ হস্পিটালত আমি ৰাখিব পাৰিম এটো এটা $1 মিলিয়ন কুৱেশ্যন কালিৰ পৰা যেতিয়া আমি ৰেপিড আমি যেটো পইণ্ট অফ কেয়াৰত আমি কোভিড-19 এজি টেষ্ট কৰিম এনেকুৱা এটা হ'ব পাৰে যে 10,000ৰ ভিতৰত 1000 ব্যক্তিও পজিটিভ হৈ যাব পাৰে কাৰণ গুৱাহাটীত সেইটো ধৰণে স্প্ৰেড হৈছে তথাপিতো আমি ভাবো যে এতিয়ালৈকে আমি মেনেজ কৰি আছো যোৱাকালি আমি পতঞ্জলি যোগপীঠত আমি 300 বেডেড কোভিড হস্পিটাল এখন আৰম্ভ কৰিছো আমি গুৱাহাটী মহানগৰী প্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে 382টা 382 পজিটিভ কেছ আমি পাইছো আৰু আজি ৰাতিপুৱা অৰ্থাৎ আপোনালোকক মই সম্বোধন কৰি থকা সময়লৈকে পজিটিভ কেছৰ সংখ্যা আজি দিনটোতে 157 পাৰ কৰিছে 157 আজি ৰাতিপুৱাৰ পৰা এই মুহূৰ্তলৈকে 157টা পেচেণ্ট আমি ইতিমধ্যে পাইছো
He also informed that the state will soon have a plasma bank to be donated to the patients. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. The villages affected by the Lower Kopili hydroelectric project, including Borolongku, Torte Langso, and Chotu Longku villages, had organized a meeting on Wednesday to discuss about the government's indifference towards the local residents. Local residents have been strongly demanding the immediate payment of the remaining compensation to the families affected by the setting up of the electric project. During the meeting, people of the area have strongly condemned the authority of the Lower Kopili hydroelectric project for their negligence and delay in the final payment of all pending compensation and remaining non-inclusion of the affected people in final compensation payment list. The affected people strongly demanded the payment of remaining compensation at the earliest and warned that no new project would be allowed in the area unless their pending payments are first cleared.
Ladak compensation lower Kopili compensation si lang lanon tipin village upon compensation jepin ahosi non ako CCA project si puthap setulong tu lapen totelang solong nang sing koi phaglo lasi labang so project bangke ni tumla compensation le jujelang le lasi CCA a project bangke nang senglong le pusi kinia mayalong responder le
People of the area have also demanded immediate halting of the NGO works engaged by APGCL until and unless the payment of final pending compensation cases and rehabilitation and resettlement of the affected people are completed. Local MSC Joysing Durong, who was also present in the meeting, expressed his support towards the call of the people. The elected representative also assured that he will take up the matter at the appropriate level of government authority for his immediate solution. He also severely criticized the authorities for not being able to resolve the genuine problem of the people. The meeting was presided by Torte Langso GB Rasing Teron and was also attended KSA General Secretary Dhonsing Teron, Social Worker and General Secretary of the Mahasau Rural Development Society, Lakpa Lama, several people of the affected villages along with GBs of Chotu Longku, Boro Longku, Longkutu, Rongkhelam and Lower Kopili Hydroelectric Project Affected Association President Bidesing Inti. Linson Ronghang from Umrangso reporting for Karbianglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news.
MS Pangjo Stationery Humri Damra Langdamikha Labang Suakula Dalong Nanglitum Kerang Sora Hormuan Long Igi Lake Asonason Kecho Hormu Nangli Hemarlu Kapang Jangjia Pan Kenang Sora Hormu Lapen Kapre Kason Nanglitum Longpon Igi Humri Damlote Nanglitum Tegi Longji Lasi Humri Damikha Pangjo Stationery Ka Humri Dam Nang Jadim Lake Rongkhelam Dipu Manja Road Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Adu Dipu Karbianglong.
Welcome back to Karbianglong Live. The Karbi Students Union Duarbagari branch had on Wednesday distributed relief items to residents of Rongmi Rongpar under Daithor police station. People of this remote village have been affected by the nationwide lockdown as their source of income had been hit badly. They also felicitated the successful HSLC candidates for the village. More from our correspondent. The KSU team led by Amoran Terang and Gautam Terang along with the Daithor Lamps distributed relief items to more than 30 families of the village. Essential food items including rice, dal, cooking oil and soaps were provided to the NFSA and the non-NFSA families as well.
To pini Daithor police station Arlu 5 kilometer Kripon Bagduji KSU Duarbagari had branch pen Chapatir PC Ladak Rongpara Rongpu Alang litum lockdown ahut Kisung helam chili sipini alang litum hoi KSU hoi pen sang Keronji panselang tungang lo lapen parke ladak arong ke Charlie non hejong battery ke pas atau pas alang tumahin pen karcui pansel ni ha pasi alang litum long non litum dang na
Dali inti lapen ke sabun pen lapen styling cap ini litum mahin pen KSU in pen litum dak kar kami pen dapat jadi glop pen kar ke do tum pan kami Nili ke patik tang doko ka dali sabun ainti doko pot nili ke unor ke duduk dat arat asan unor nili ke chupandi nili.
It may be mentioned that people of this village depend their livelihood on pineapple farming. However, due to the lockdown, the sale of their fruits has been hit, affecting their daily life and kitchen. Moreover, this village has deprived several developmental amenities.
Haladak sorkar pen kopini asking kedeng dumawe
Sorkar pen skin gedeng no namat ke kaviason lang. Tai ni sini ke klam ton son ke dolo la mi bang ke hing kon lo se kami no namat ami nang titilang. La pen an part me hemso la pen la kala barpi ke dam adim hemso la haita velang pen don thomni lo son si dolang.
Charlie adim school dumawe
School ke agalo nili tungge la ha sorry be pare ke kang dong arong an sig dun.
RG Sarongpar from Dolomara reporting for Karbianglong Live. On Wednesday, the 107th birth anniversary of Shahid Durga Malla was celebrated at New Tumbung Village, Umrongso. The Mahasau jointly by all Assam Gorkha Students Union, Umrongso Unit, Bharatiya Gorkha Parisang, Umrongso Unit and Amri Moja Gorkha Village Development Committee by paying floral tributes to the martyr. Durga Malla was a freedom fighter and a soldier of the Azad Hind Fauj. Born in Dehradun, the brave man went on to be a part of the Indian National Army led by Subhash Chandra Bose. During a fight, he was captured and sent to the gallows by the British. Major Durga Malla became the first Gorkha to sacrifice his life for the cause of Indian independence. To honor his sacrifice, a statue of him has also been erected in the precincts of the parliament. The event was attended by Bharatiya Gorkha Parisang Advisor Lakpa Lama, AAGSU, the Mahasau Committee President Balakrishna Sharma, Dilip Chetri, Madhu Sharma, among other prominent members of the Gorkha organizations. Linson Ronghang from Umrangso, reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. The joint team of Karbi Students Association, Karbi Students and Youth Council, and the United Students Union of Karbi Anglong had on Tuesday organized a felicitation and award ceremony at Pak Longkam to honor successful students of the HSLC and HS exams. Like every year, students' organization of the district with an aim to motivate the young students have organized felicitation in Pak Longkam under Dokmoka Police Station. Speaking as chief guest of the function, KSYC President Prakash Terang said that they have been doing felicitation programs to motivate students to continue working and striving hard for the best results in future. Secretary Bipul Tiso also urged the students to continue striving for more achievements in life.
KSYC along General Secretary Isol Tango, Patentu AGS Hamsit Tango, Patentu Game and Sport Chunba Via Tango, Patentu Pijidak Pitum Long Alhiaman Penaiton Rapid Ajurka, Patentu Pijidak Haribhar General KSA Penaiton.
Along with Prakash Terang, KSYC Secretary Bipul Tiso, Assistant Secretary Biran Hanse, Sar Imbe, KSA Haurakat Regional Committee President Bibison Teron, Secretary Anil Kiling, Secretary Jintu Hajarika, and local SGB graced the function. Many students, parents, and local public also took part in the event. Samsung Ingti from Dongmokak, reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.